Hello everyone. Welcome to the next session of the Open Educate. In today's session we will discuss about the KPI dashboard. For that you have to log in into the system using your username and password. I am entering my username and password. Click on the login. Click on the main menu and click on the KPI dashboard to enter into the dashboard. But first of all, what is KPI? KPI is a key performance indicator dashboard, which is a simple visual display of your important data. You can add your data in the form of the charts, in the form of the bar chart, horizontal bar chart, line chart, area chart, etc. You can add the data in the form of the tile and KPI view also. You can add your text, link, image also, and most important thing, you can import and export the data also. But first of all, you have to create that dashboard. So that enter into the create dashboard. Click on the create dashboard. You have to give the name of the dashboard. I am giving that name educational dashboard. Menu name educational dashboard. I have to give the name of the menu under which I want to see this created dashboard. I am giving that name KPI dashboard. I am using that theme as default and click on the save to save that dashboard. Now I have to refresh that windows to get back that created dashboard. Now you can see this educational dashboard is already under the dashboard of the KPI. Now click on the educational dashboard. Now click on the add to add the different data. I will see all this data one by one. First of all, I want to add the application rate in the form of the pie chart. I am clicking on the pie chart. I am giving that name application rate. Model name as a admission. Already company name is given, dashboard, educational dashboard, type pie chart, and if you want to set the update interval, then you can. You have to select the data type. I am selecting that data type as a count, and group by, I am doing that group by in the form of the course. You can see amazing chart in the form of the pie chart. You can get the application rate of the BOA SAM 1, BOA SAM 2, IELTS grade 8 course in the form of the pie chart only. Now click on the save to save that pie chart. Click on the educational dashboard. Now you can see this pie chart is already under the educational dashboard. Now I want the enrollment rate in the form of the horizontal pie chart. Click on the charts, click on the horizontal bar chart. I want enrollment rate, so I am giving that name enrollment rate. Model admission. Already company, dashboard and type is given. Data type is count and the group by in the form of the course. Now you can see this enrollment rate in the form of the horizontal bar chart. Means from this chart you can know the how many counts are in the BOA SAM 1, BOA SAM 2, IELTS in the grade 8 course, and they click on the save to save that chart. Again click on the educational dashboard. You will get the application rate in the form of the pie chart and enrollment rate in the form of the horizontal bar chart. Now third one, I want to add the attendance in the form of the bar chart. I am giving that name attendance. Its a model name is attendance lines. Company, dashboard, type is already there, and data type I am selecting as a count. I want to do that group by student. You can see attendance is already in the form of the bar chart. Means in this bar chart you can know the Sumita Azdani has how many attendance in particular course. Click on the save to save that bar chart and click on the educational dashboard. Now you will get this attendance in the menu of educational dashboard. Now I want to add one more data. I want to add the data in the form of the polar area chart. I am clicking on the polar area chart. I want that data, classroom student ratio, model name is classroom, and type is already polar area chart, data type is sum, and the group by is name. Now you will get this polar area chart in the form of the classroom student ratio. Click on the save to save that chart. Click on the educational dashboard to get that chart. You will get this classroom student ratio in the form of the polar area chart. Now I want to add one more data. I want to add the session per teacher in the form of the Tonart chart. And I am giving that name session per teacher, model sessions, and data type is count, and group by faculty. You will get this Tonart chart in the form of session per teacher, means you can know how many sessions this teacher have. Click on the save to save that chart. Click on the educational dashboard to see that chart. Amazing. You can see this amazing view of the educational dashboard. Next, I want to add the data in the form of the list view. Clicking on the list, and from that clicking on the list view, I want to add the classroom resources. Resources, I am selecting that model as a manage facility line. Type list view, set update interval if you want to do. List view type, we have two options, ungroup and group. I am using that ungroup option. Fields to show in the list, I am using first of all it's a classroom, then display name and quantity, and you can click on the save to save that list view, and click on the educational dashboard. You can get this list view of the classroom resources, means room number R001 has how many facilities and that facility has how many numbers. You can get that information only from this chart. Now I want to add one more data. I want to add the data in the form of the tile view. So I am clicking on the add, clicking on the tile and clicking on this tile view. I want to add the data of the fees in the form of the tile view. I am giving that name fees. Its model is admission. If you want to set update interval, then you can. I want that record type as a sum. Its a record field is fees. You will get already that count in record value and in this view also. One more option is here. This is the display. Click on the display. You can change the layout. You can change the layout as layout 2. It's a layout 3. It's a layout 4. These options are already available in this KPI dashboard. One more thing, if you want to change the color of this icon, then you can use this red color, yellow color, green color, whatever you like. Means these options are already available in KPI dashboard. Click on the save to save this tile view, and click on the educational dashboard. Amazing! You can see the status of the fees in the menu of educational dashboard. Now I want to use this KPI view. Click on the tile and click on the KPI. Now I want to add the data of the admission in the form of the KPI. So I am using that model also, admission, and I am using that type KPI. This record type is KPI, but that record type is count. Already count is given here. Now I want to indicate the target also. I am clicking on that checkbox and I have to set some standard target, and that setting target as a 50. We have two options here. First one is the number and second one is the progress bar. I am clicking on this progress bar. You can see this view. This is KPI view of the admissions, and click on the save to save that KPI view. Click on the educational dashboard. You can see the KPI view of the admissions, means your target is 50 and for 50 you are just reached up to 24, means you can get that progress bar in the form of the KPI view. Now I want to add some data, I want to add some text, I want to add some images. For that you have to click on the static and click on the text. You have to give the name of that text. I am giving that name as a course. You can use any of data, company, dashboard, type, and you have to add something here. I am adding that data, open educate, and click on the save to save that data. Click on the educational dashboard. You will get this text in the form of the text bar. Now again I want to add some link. Clicking on add and static and link. I have to give the name of that link. I am giving that name Google. Company, dashboard, type is link. I want to give the name of that link. I am using that link and click on the save to save that link. Click on the educational dashboard. You can see this link is already available in the educational dashboard. Means in this way you can add your image also. You can import and export data also. Now one more point I want to explain, that this is the chart of the application rate. Using 3 dots you can export this chart in the form of the Excel, in the form of the CSV, in this form of the PDF, and you can also export in the form of the image. Means this KPI dashboard is give the display of all your important data. That's all for this video. To like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to get more such learning videos. To try our free demo, you can visit our website openeducate.org. Thank you so much.